So hey guys, what's up? This is Karan here, back with a new video, and you're welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. I have installed Derpfest OS, Derpfest Custom Room, which is based on Android 10 and it's available for many devices. I will drop the link for all of the devices in the description or on my website. You can just go and check it out. I'll show you the features of this room. What are the features you get in Derpfest room, and is it better than Android 11? And in terms of features, what are the features you get most of which you get in Derpfest custom room? This is based on Android 10 and you get the security patch of 5th of April. I am reviewing the latest build of Derpfest custom room. So let's get started. We will start with the home screen as always, and I've installed Derpfest room, and the by default launcher what I get here is in my device. I'm using Redmi Note 8 and this launcher is default launcher in all the Derpfest builds. And the launcher which you get by default is a launcher which is installed, which is a pre-installed launcher. You get a lot of things in a launcher, like you get theme, desktop customization options, home widget, dock, app drawer, and a lot more. Launcher is a very customizable launcher, so if this is included then it's very good for you too. And in quick settings you have a lot of tiles to add, like you can add switch data card, peak notifications, screencast is available here, invert colors, LTE omni record option is available here, AOD option and location, and some extra options like show layout bound settings, profile HWUI rendering, and a lot more options are available. When you click here, you can also customize your quick settings, rows and columns from here. This is a shortcut to set all these things. That's another very good thing. Let's move on and check out some other things. ANX camera is pre-installed in this room, so if you want to install ANX camera, this is pre-installed and is working perfectly. You have the 48 megapixel camera here which is also working. Portrait mode is working too, so that's another very good thing. The performance of this custom room is pretty much smooth. You will surely love this room, I think so, if it depends upon you. And let's check out some other things. I'm using a Redmi Note 8, so let me show you the Geekbench score. The Geekbench score which you get here is 312 is the single core score and 1299 is the multi-core score. 312 is the single core score which is normal, which is better from the average Geekbench score which you get in Redmi Note 8. But when you compare it with multi-core, the average score is better than this custom room score. So in this room the gaming is not that much great. You have to compromise with the gaming things. Okay, so if we talk about the features of this custom room in all the devices, this is the official build, so all the features are same in all other devices too. You can check out what are the features you get here, and then you can decide if you want to install this build on your device or not. This is the customization menu, Derpfest. We will talk about this later on. First let me show you some other things. In battery section you have a lot of things like battery temperature, you can check from here, screen usage and last full charge. Also you have adaptive battery option is available here too. In display you have the option to choose adaptive brightness, screensaver, double tap to wake, and this one is really good setting. Display cutout, you can choose to hide, immerse or normal. As my device has notch, when I click normal you can see it is like in notch, and when I click hide the notch is hiding properly, and I like the hide notch option. So this is a very good thing, a positive thing you get in this custom room. You have the game driver options available here, and in density options you can choose the display size, font size, etc. In theming you have a lot of options, like you have the dark theme available too, accent color, primary color, headline or body font. Like I've choose Slate for OnePlus, which looks pretty much good, and there are a lot of fonts options are available a lot, which you don't get in almost all custom rooms. But in Derpfest custom room, this is pretty much great. You can choose any font from there. In sound, storage, privacy, location, everything is same like other things. In security, the face lock is removed, it is not added here, and it is also removed from all of the rooms which are coming now. I don't know what's the issue, but it is removing. You get the fingerprint option there, which is available, smart lock is available, and encryption, status, etc. Accounts, accessibility, Google system, all of the things are same like that. Let us take a look at some features of this custom room. First of all, in top quiz, you get the themes option. When you click themes, you will get styles and wallpaper option available here. Have the option to choose the styles. By default, you get 2 styles available, but also you can create your own custom style if you want to, but that's your choice. If you want to, if you don't want to, then doesn't matter. In clock, you have a lot of options like vertical, digital, binary, type, analog, default, whichever you like, you can choose that one too. In grid section, you can choose 3x3, 4x4, 5x5 or 6x6, whichever you like, you can choose that one. And at last, wallpapers, you can choose wallpapers. By default, you got a lot of live wallpapers from Google Pixel devices. If you like to use live wallpaper, then it's a very good choice for you. You can directly download and apply your live wallpapers from here. Let us take a look at some features. In status bar, you have the option to customize your state system icon, status bar logo, battery icon, network traffic display. You can customize clock settings, and you have the option of notification sticker. And at last, carrier label. If you want to change the carrier label, you have the option to customize your carrier label too. In quick settings, you can customize your look. In quick settings, enable quick setting tiles in tint style, blur, override default colors. You can customize your quick settings colors. If we click this, your quick setting tiles could be colored from this way. Let me show you. Okay, as a quick settings panel color, like if we choose red, and like this, which looks pretty much bad if we choose this accent color, and etc, etc. A lot of options are available. You can do and customize whatever things you want to do. You have the option to choose header image, brightness slider. You can also customize a quick setting tile area item like show panels, security footer, etc. Footer area, header area. In other words, you can say this is a lot of customization options are available. In buttons, you can customize your navigation bar, you can customize power button and volume settings. You have the option to choose playback control. You can choose the volume steps here. And in gestures, in ASP gestures, like I'm using full screen gestures by hiding pill, this option is available. There are a lot of options available to customize. You can choose the amount of screen height to use as touchable region, show an animate arrow, enable haptic feedback, hide the navigation bar pill, and block height of virtual keyboard. These are the very good things which I personally like a lot. You can choose them too if you want to. Okay, so also have the option of skip music tracks by pressing volume keys. This option is available here too. And other things like status bar double tap to sleep, 3-finger gesture option is available also, and etc, etc. In lock screen, you have the option of journal like fingerprint authentication, vibration, ambient display brightness, lock screen shortcuts, status bar, lock screen charging info. There are a lot of options. You can choose the honor info fonts, and as I already told you, there are a lot of options of choosing fonts which you can't even imagine. These are a lot. Power menu you can customize. You have the option to add screenshot option here, screen record option here, settings, users logout, and when you click on power menu, you can see there are a lot of options available which looks pretty much great. In notifications, you have the LED, pulse flash, on-screen charging, animation, force expanded notifications, heads up, edge lighting option is available too, which you can customize from here, show on AOD, hide AOD content, etc. There are a lot. In-call vibration options and etc. Animations like activity open, activity close, task open, task close, move to front, wallpaper, and all etc like that. In miscellaneous, legacy, app scaling, and those settings, and also brightness control, allows signature spoofing, etc. And at last, about, they told you about their team, like CEO, lead developer, and etc. about their information. These are the things you get in Derpfest custom room. I hope you like this room a lot, and here you have a lot of things which you can do. I hope you like this review, and this was all from today's review, and that's it. So goodbye, see you in the next video very soon. The link is in description, just download from there, and that's all. Goodbye.